So I want to introduce to you Pastor Moses Lokwawi. He is a specialist in social work and administration. So quickly, Pastor, can you tell us why is it necessary for someone to pursue a program called Bachelor of Social Work and Administration, or otherwise certificate in the same, or even a diploma in social work, and otherwise moving to master in social work and administration?
Social work in itself is a problem-solving profession, and I think Kenya today needs this kind of professionals because we have a lot of problems, conflicts. We have issues to do with the rampages that we are seeing in GNC today going to the streets. We need social workers who will need to talk to the youth, talk to the people, and there are opportunities that are offered by social work, especially in professional areas of working, like schools. We need school specialized social workers who will deal with the students' psychology, and the military social workers who will also give some psychological support and social support to our military people. Most of them, when they go to places like Somalia, they go to support other programs in other countries. You realize so many of them lose their lives. Some of them become amputees. They need social workers to support them. We also need hospital social workers who will support the medical people in social, psychosocial support with those people that have undergone very difficult situations like of HIV/AIDS. And they also need community support groups like women groups, the youth groups, the formulation of these groups. We need these kind of professionals who will support even in the programs of the government like children programs. We need advocacy to support our children, who are, so many of them are ending up into the streets. So many of them are abandoned by some single parents, and they suffer a lot. Some of them are abused. Children need a lot of protection, and therefore we need people who are specialized in social work, because they have the understanding of how they can protect the children, because we give a unit on child protection. And we also need social workers in areas like prisons because of correctional support. They need to be encouraged, the inmates. The inmates need people who will talk to them and walk through with them the process. So when we train people like who are working in military areas like the prisons, these inmates can be supported and they can be helped. Also, social work helps in advocacy. When you see some problems that are some abuses in the community, some NGOs, some government parties that are not doing right, it is the social workers who are professionally trained that will identify these problems and handle these problems, challenge the community, challenge the people or the perpetrators. And then the project development programs. It is the social workers who will identify the community problems and then do proposals to this effect, and then suggest policies to the same, or suggest some budgetary implications to the government and the policy workers, so that the government can work and support the community. So with the social workers, we will do quite a lot. And Turkana University College gives us the best, from certificate up to masters in social work and administration. Please welcome and be trained by the professionals of Turkana University College.